Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 83 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the importance of humility. So let's start. In this today world, everyone is desire to have success. They all want success, they all want wealth, they all want that their career should rise. In fact, I also want, but we should learn, we should know that apart from that we should be humble. So we should be able to, we should be kind, we should be humble. So what is humility? Humility means you a person when become humble, a person when become modest, and a person when become humble and kind. That is humility, and not everyone has this quality. History shows the example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a great scientist and also he was the president, but still he was humble. His words were so sweet that still I can remember his speech. So you should also speak like that, so that your identity will be remembered after, when you will not be available till then also. So like APJ Abdul Kalam, like Mahatma Gandhi, they were really ground to earth. They were very kind and humble. They always spent their life in sacrificing for peoples, for other peoples. They always spread good thoughts. They always spread good actions in front of students or professionals or anyone. So they always did that. Consider a tree. In a tree there are it has lots of fruits. By having lots of fruits it will bend down. So same, more successful people and more talented people with who have lots of knowledge, they bend down, they pay gratitude to all the surroundings. They are humble, they are kind, and they are not like egotists. Many people have the habit, they don't bother to think about the other people in front of them. They always think about themselves. But successful and knowledgeable people have that attitude. They are humble, they show humility. And I have given example, best example of APJ Abdul Kalam and Mahatma Gandhi, as well as their that tree which is considered lots of fruit. When it bend down, it still bend down, and when it bend down it is showing gratitude. So same as knowledgeable and successful people also, they also bend down. They are modest, they are humble, they are down to earth. So what is the importance of humility? So importance is that when you are humble, you are providing yourself the kindness in return. You are getting the kindness in return. When you are kind to others, you are providing kindness to yourself in return. When you are humble to yourself too. It is a famous thought is some famous thought is that people are not that good who stand with others. People are that good who lift others. So when you help others, when you lift others, then you are good. That is kindness. So from all this I will conclude that the importance of humility is that it makes you modest, it makes you humble, it makes you ground down to earth, and it always connected with you through your roots. It help you to help people, it help you to show kindness. And in this life, success is not only the real thing, kindness is also the real thing. And having kind heart and helping others is the great achievement in this world. I know success matters, but apart from success, kindness, humbleness, humility all matters. So I will conclude that whenever you get time, please help others. You will feel happy. Whenever you get time, please sit with your parents. Be humble, be kind. So that's all for today video. If you are like watching my video, please like, subscribe and share. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.